Myself Amit Rajaguru and we are the Guru Vibe. Internet today is all fun and I believe that. तो आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ इस वीक की अमेजिंग टेक एंड ट्रिक्स एंड हैक। ये सारे ट्रिक्स आपकी सोशल मीडिया लाइफ को कूल बनाने वाले। तो शुरू करते हैं। अमेजिंग वेबसाइट फॉर योर प्रोफाइल पिक्चर।
Go to pfpmaker.com. Drop your image. It will start work. Customize your image. Choose different color. Add shadows. You can resize image. You can pick any design. Even you can download it free.
Download any YouTube video. Easy and fast. Check it out.
Just open your YouTube video. Go to URL and type ss before youtube.com and hit enter. Choose video format. That's it. Turn your any black and white photo into color. Search cutout.pro. Upload your picture. Wait for a second. Boom. Your image is ready. You can see amazing result in portrait. Even in landscape. You can download it free.
Follow us for more video like this. Easier for Instagram caption and hashtag.
Go to writesonic.com. Then go to social media Instagram hashtag. Write your topic and description. Happy life in Gujarat. In a second you can see many hashtag options. For Instagram captions, go to Instagram captions. Write your topic and description. Beautiful day in life in Goa. That's it. You can see lots of idea in just a second.
Remove watermark from your image.
Go to watermarkremover.io. Upload your image. Your image is ready in just a second. That's it. You can see amazing result and it's free.
Super website to erase any object from your picture.
Go to theInPaint.com. Upload image. Select object you want to remove. Click erase. That's it. It will remove any unwanted object from any picture. Now you can download image.
One super cool website for music lover.
Go to vocalremover.org. Click on browse file and select your song. Wait a second and you can see the result. You can play music and vocal separately. It works crazy. Even you can download music and vocal separately. Have fun. If you like this video, hit like button and share with your friends. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Follow our Instagram page.